Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to create this glitch effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First we need to convert this image into black and white. Go to Image, Adjustments and click on Black and White. Now right-click on the layer and duplicate the layer. Double-click on the layer and deselect greens and blues. Now you can simply drag to get this effect. Now select the marquee tool and draw a rectangle. Now select the move tool and drag the rectangle. Continue doing this for another 10 to 15 times. I'll speed up the process here. Now select the original layer and go to Filters, and add Noise. Create a new layer, and fill it up with white color. Now we can go to Filters and add Noise. Now we're going to add motion blur to this. To do this, go to Filters, then Blur and click on Motion Blur. Now change the blending mode to overlay. And finish it up with darkening the edges using a burn tool. Hope you enjoyed this video. To share your feedback in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.